Okay, movie stars. Welkom by Telkom. Or whatever is your seller preference.
I'm trying to figure out how to open.
Telkom here by us is broken. Today we have a 2015 Ford Transit. VIN number is Foxtrot Oscar Yankee X-ray Tango.
E109E.
Oh, that's at least what it starts with. I am leaving on the original sound in the background. I don't know why. I'm just doing it. If you like it or not, it's your problem. Put it on mute if you don't smoke it. This van comes in with the remote not working. Car starting, driving, everything is fine.
Hey,
We program new keys. The dealers program new keys. Everyone, I can't remember. It was coming from a few workshops. It sounds like someone's farting cause there. Sissy. There you can hear the original sound.
So this Ford comes in with a remote not working. The fault code was pointing to this unit here. There's no light here. We need light.
That's a receiver of the
But that's the receiver for the remote, and it also gave a fault code for it. We suspected the
who is this
B7
guy
originally.
speaking over me? There's always
And then
one,
we've
that
traced
one guy
the positive
wants
wires
to talk over you.
to this fuse box, and on fuse 39, which is this one here, there is no fuse, but there needs to be power when you switch on. So what I have realized that another unit switches on that pin there, and that then in turn supplies power to this red and white wire. That wasn't there, so if you supply power on that pin, let's see if I can zoom in there. Not getting in there. But if I supply power on that side of the fuse, it switches on no other control module that's supposed to switch on the receiver. But when supplying power there, our remote is working. And that's all that we need. So this model also comes out with 2 batteries. Yes, but if you have any more questions, you can find it on our website. Check the links below.
You can also make a key for this car non-remote as a service key or spare key.
I'll take some photos just now for this guy.
BCM number on this car is Bravo
the
Kilo
key.
2 Tango -14 Bravo 76 Bravo Hotel. There's another Ford. What's going on now? The receiver part number is Bravo Kilo 2 Tango 15 Kilo 602 Alpha. It's made by Fomogo.
Hey
Continental.
guys, the car is sorted with that fault code. Most of the time people change that receiver, but that's not the problem.
This transponder is as a 4D. Original part number for the key is Bravo Kilo 2 Tango 15 Kilo 601 Alpha Delta.